welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's Miss Sheila. So for today's video, we are going to do the unboxing about what I bought to Popland here in Bangkok, Thailand. So I went to Popland in Siam Paragon, guys, and it's quite new here. It's very first Popland in Bangkok. So it's in Siam Paragon, and their theme is Finding Moko. That's why I bought this one, Finding Moko, and it's cost only 380 baht. So this one, guys, is figures. So this one, so I can't read. So let me take a photo and I will read it for you guys. Alright guys, so there are 10 blind box figures and one secret. So I will read for you what is inside that you may get. So there is Move Bravely, Seen Her, Painter's Help, See You, Winds Guidance, Over There, Careless Hunter, Follow the Light, Found It, Great Discovery, and Secret. So it says this product contains a regular or secret edition Finding Moko series figures. So regular edition ratio is 1 to 10. Secret edition ratio is 1 to 120. So alright guys, so let's open what is inside. And if you ask what I want to get the Painter's Help or the See You. Alright, so I am excited. Let me open. So guys, here, if you open the back, so it says Pop Mart, mix something fun. What is it? I'm very excited. Let me open for you. Oh. So cute. This is what I've got. So this one is, what is it? This one is who? I don't know. Let me check the box, the picture. Careless Hunter. It says Careless Hunter. Careless Hunter. Ah, wow. It's cute. And it's quite heavy. Alright. So it's Finding Moko. Alright guys, so this is what I've got to Finding Moko figures. It's cost 380 baht. So if you will go to Bangkok, Thailand, you can drop by to Siam Paragon. It's only located outside, and it's good Popland stores, but you have to book your queue number for you to able to get inside. So it's very beautiful, guys. Alright guys, so that's all for today. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more updates. And see you on my next video about unboxing, video to Pop Mart, figures, and many more. So bye for now guys. See ya. Bye.